Furnace went cold on a night that should have been warm. A chill settled in my bones. I couldn't wait for morning heat. I needed warmth now, without breaking my budget. Neighbors led me to Worx Heating and Cooling, offering 24/7 service and financing. They arrived within 2 hours, diagnosed, and fixed the unit on the same visit. I asked the tech to explain the step. Knowing the plan helped me trust the cost. If your furnace stops, check the thermostat and battery first, before calling a licensed pro. Choosing a trusted local team can turn a cold night into a warm one. Act before the cold settles deeper.